If you are using AI to get things done that you're going to share as a professional, it is best to do that when you actually know the information and you're not just learning it. Like you can't say, here, I'll give you like a health guide, although I'm not a person who's in health. I'm not a nutritionalist, I'm not a doctor. I am not going to prescribe you a guide on your health. I can tell you, hey, this is research that I've done, but you can't sign off on it like that. So with AI, you really have to fact check. So that's why, for me, when I used it to create my content for teaching this AI thing, I already know the information. I've worked in technology where I did research to purchase, did research to help them make a decision on purchasing a tool, an AI tool. But not only that, I've worked on a project where we built an AI tool for the company. And these are big companies. They were already doing it before ChatGPT really took off. And with that knowledge, I got introduced to it with NLP, with that word. Like, what is NLP? It was so hard to find information on it really and really conceptualize it until I started using ChatGPT. And I'm like, oh, they literally were right there with the request from the company. ChatGPT really was allowing you to do research on a huge amount of data using the language that you speak naturally. Anyways, all that to say, AI really, really works best when you're using it with your knowledge that you already have. But yet again, it is something that can teach you new concepts. But just be aware as it's teaching you, especially if the model is one that is like ChatGPT or Gemini, it's not trained for just like one specific thing, it's a very general one. Just be aware that it can give you information that's wrong, and that's only because it's trained on internet data or data that is from other different kind of people. So sometimes people write wrong things. People write blogs that are completely wrong, and it's just based on opinion and not fact. Even books can be wrong. So even textbooks have been proven to be wrong. So just be aware that if you're doing research on something that you yourself cannot fact check and say, I know for sure this is information is right, be aware that there's a chance it could be wrong as well. And they like to use the word hallucination for this, but I just want to say it's just giving you wrong information. Let's not try to humanize the AI like that. It's not hallucinating, it's wrong.